Today, JEE mains PYQs trigonometry, but today I am going to deal with different types of questions where I want to tell you that what type of question, how to prepare. There are three types of questions are asked and how to prepare. I am going to tell you about this. So here you see that the question is, if the line x is equal to y is equal to z intersects the line this means you can write this like this, equal to 0 equal to this means both are 0, where ABC are the angles of a triangle ABC, then 80 into sine A by 2 cosine B by 2 sine C by 2 is equal to. So here the first type which naturally asks, the first type here, two topics mane two topics two topics are mixed here. One is that of planes and other is trigonometry. So here you see that uh, two different topics, one is plane and another is trigonometry. So here trigonometry. Trigonometry. So here two types of two different topics are included to included in this question. So this is one type of questions where say matrices trigonometry like this, uh, your straight line and then your straight line and with trigonometry. So such type of questions are set. So here this is one type of questions. So in this type of questions, today I want to tell you that there are three different types of questions which are set in JEE mains. So this is the first type. Here you see two different topics. One is the plane and another is the trigonometry. So here see it has taken the equation of a line. Equation, this means when two planes intersect, that means two planes intersects at a line. These are the two planes which intersects at the line. So this plane which in your new syllabus in class 12 this has been deleted, but earlier it was included, plane was included in your class 12, but in your new syllabus this is included. So here this line means when two planes intersect, they intersect along a line, they intersect along a line. You all know about it. When two lines intersect, they intersect at a point. When two planes intersect, they intersect along a line. So here the line intersects the line, this means the line formed by this two plane, this line it intersects, suppose like this, it intersects this line, suppose it is like this, intersect this line. So here these are the two equations of the plane. Say let this be x sine A plus y sine B and plus z sine C minus 18 equal to 0. This is a equation of a plane, and another equation of the plane is this, that is x sine 2a plus y sine 2b plus y sine z, this is z, not 2, z sine 2c minus 9 equal to 0. These are the two planes and this is the equation of this line. X is equal to y is equal to z, you see. So now you have to find the value of this. So here let us take that this intersect point, where they intersect, let us take that x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to k, say that means both all these are equal, so let us take k. So let us take that it intersects here, it intersects this line, this, and this point is your, let us take that this point is your xy dash where it intersects. The intersection point is the x, y, z. Here it intersects at this point. So now, since this line intersects here, so what we can do that we can value here this plane, we can place the value of instead of x, y, z, we are going to place the value of k sine A plus k sine B plus k sine C is equal to 18. This is, and in another, this is your equation of the plane. So that is k sine 2a and plus k sine 2b and plus k sine 2c is equal to 9. Because because the equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz minus d is equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane. So because this is the equation of the plane, so it is clear, you can easily see that this is the ax plus by plus cz is equal is minus d equal to 0. So from this it is clear that these two are the equation of the plane, because the equation of the plane is this. Now from here, what do you find? Now here if this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From these two, uh, here from equation 1, from 1, that is, let us take k common, sine A plus sine B plus sine C is equal to 18. This is 18. Now the formula, it is not actually formula, but such type of questions were asked let us say 10 years earlier. Such type of questions were asked 10 years earlier, because this value is, you must remember that this value is, you can solve it, this value is 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 and cos C by 2 is equal to 18. This value is this. Now therefore k will be equal to 18 by 4 cos A cos B cos A by 2 B by 2 cos C by 2. So this is equal to this is one equation. Equation 3. So here you see here this is the trigonometric relation. This you can find it in R.D. Sharma also, but such type questions were asked say 10 years earlier, such type of relation, to find out this relation. This is equal to this sine A plus sine B plus sine C is equal to 4 cos A into cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Such type of questions were asked say 10 years earlier, but no doubt it has again repeated it. So here the value of this is this. You must know, that means you must know this can be proved, but if I am going to prove this, it will take another time. So this you must know. These are the standard results which we get. Similarly here, from these two, k common, so this will be equal to this k common, and the result of this is 4 sine A sine B and sine C. This is equal to 9. So do not be confused from where I got this result. These are the standard results which can be derived from here. You can derive this value. So such type of derivations were asked say in higher secondary 10 years earlier, but now these types of questions are not asked yet, since they have repeated here, so there is no way. And similarly the result, sorry, here this is when you take common k, then you are going to get sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c. So that result is 4 sine A into sine B into sine C. So your k will be equal to 9 by 4 sine A into sine B into sine C into sine C. This is your result. Now here you see both the values are k, so you can equate it. So you are going to get here 18 by 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 and cos C by 2. This is equal to here this will be 9. Instead of 4 you can, this 4 and 4 cancels out. Now here instead of sin A you can write 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Instead of sin B you can write 2 sin B by 2 cos B by 2. Instead of sin C you can write that is 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. You can write this. So what you are now, easily you can this and this gets removed, this and this gets removed, and this gets removed, and here 9 to the 18. So 2 to the 4 to the, this is uh, into, sorry, this is into sin C value, this is into, not plus, this is into, not dot also, this is into, let us take 2 sine, this is into. So here 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 into 2, this means equal to 16. So so this becomes you are going to get sine A by 2 sine B by 2 sine C by 2. You are going to get the result. This will be 16. So 16 equal to 1. So 1 by 16. You are going to get the value of 16. So here you are going to get the value of 16. So now I am going to put the value of this here. So in this value is going to put this value. So this will be how much? 80 into 1 by 16. So 16 fives are, you see 16 into 5, 6 are 30, 80, 16 fives are. So your answer comes out to be 5. This is your answer. So here you see, now you may think that why I consider this as a plane, why this is a plane, because you must know that this is the equation of the plane, and you see the setting of this and setting of this, both are the same, and so, and this is equal to, both are equal to the 0. That means this shows that the two planes, when two planes intersect, they will intersect along a line, and this line intersects here. So we take it to value of k. This is the equation of a line. So from here and by the help of trigonometry, that is this is the result. This is not actually a formula, but these are the results which we get, and this is the sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2 is equal to, this is the result which we get. So by the help of this we have I have found the value of this 80 sine A by 2 sine B by 2 sine C by 2, and this comes out to be 5. Now here you see, this is another set of question. It is based on little bit of concept type. This is on this of concept type, a simple concept type. So earlier question which I gave you, it was a mixture of two topics, that is plane and trigonometry. Now here this baseline is trigonometry, but it contains a little bit of concept. The concept is here, the concept lies here, the concept lies here. The concept lies here is that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is least, means is least. When it is least, when this value is least, this value is least when uh, theta is equal to, that means this theta is equal to 60 degree. Now this is the main concept here, that this is least when theta is your 60 degree, because here for a triangle ABC means these are the angles, and the sum of this angle A plus B plus C is 180 degree. So this is the main concept here. This value will be least when theta is equal to 60 degree. This is the main concept here. So if you know this concept, then only you can solve this problem, because then that means your triangle is an equilateral triangle. That means your triangle is an equilateral triangle. That means your triangle is inscribed in a circle. Inscribed in a circle. Inscribed in a circle. Sorry, your circle is inscribed in a. Sorry. Your triangle is inscribed in a circle, because here it is given in center. In center means where the angle bisectors meet, where the angle bisectors meet. This is angle bisectors. Where the angle bisectors meet, this is the in center. So since it is the equilateral triangle, so this angle bisector is also the altitude. So this will be 90 degree. This will be 90 degree. And each angle is 60 degrees, so this will be 30 degree. 30 degree. And your in center radius, this is 3 centimeter, 3, because this is the in center. So this will be your circle. In center, this is your circle. So from here, this point is in center is given to you. This is A, B and C, and let this be D. So from here you get that the in triangle BMD, your tan 30 degree is equal to 3 by BD. So your BD will be equal to 3 root 3. This BD. So your BC will be, because this is the perpendicular bisector also, median also, so your BC will be 2 into, that means 6 root 3. This will be BC. So when you have got the side of an equilateral triangle, so your area will be how much? Root 3 by 4 A square. So this will be root 3 by 4, 6 root 3 the whole square. So this will be root 3 by 4, 36 into 3. So this will be 4, 4 9 ja, 4 9 ja, so this comes out to be 27 root 3. This is the area of the triangle. Now here you see the perimeter. Your perimeter will be how much? 3 into 6 root 3, that will be equal to 18 root 3. And the second, this is MA dot MB. So this is MA dot MB. It's a dot product. So this is MA dot MB dot product, that is equal to MA into MB cos. This angle will be 120 degree. 120. This will be 120 degree. So here, what is MA? The value of MA you can calculate here. That means here sine 30 degree is equal to MD by BM. So your BM will be 3 by sine 31 by 2. That means equal to 2. This will be 6. So this will be equal to 6 into 6, and this value comes out to be 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60, that is minus 60, that means minus 1 by 2. So this comes out to be minus 18. And the last here you can place the value of 60 degree. 120, 120, 120, 60, 60, 60. This will be equal, because 120, 180 minus 60, 120, 2 into 60, 120 is what? Here you can see sine 120. It is what? Sine 180 degree minus 60 degree. Second quadrant, it is positive, and sine 60 degree. So this is also correct. So the incorrect is your this area is, this is your incorrect answer. So this is the second type of question. Here a little concept is required. So here this is the second type of question. Now my third type of question, here you require a little bit of intelligence. So here you see we can write this as log x minus 7 by 2x 3 the whole square x plus 7 by 2 greater than equal to log 1. Log 1, because log 1 is 0. Anyways it is 0. So this comes out to be x minus 7 the whole square 2x minus 3 the whole square minus 1 greater than equal to 0. So this LCM is 2x minus 3 the whole square x minus 7 the whole square minus 2x minus 3 the whole square greater than equal to 0. Now you solve it. X square minus 14x plus 49 minus 4x square minus 12x plus 9 2x minus 3 the whole square greater than equal to 0. So this comes out to be x square minus 14x 49 minus 4x square plus 12x minus 9 by 2x minus 3 the whole square greater than equal to 0 minus 3x square 7 2 7 is 14 and here 2 2 is 4 4 3 is 12. So this comes out of minus 2x plus 40 by 2x minus 3 the whole square greater than equal to 0. If you multiply by minus, the sign changes. 3x square plus 2x minus 40 by 2x minus 3 the whole square greater than equal to 0. Oh, sorry, less than equal to 0, because I have multiplied by minus, so this becomes yes. Now, and now splitting the middle term, 3 120. So here you get 260 230 215 3 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 4 3s are 12. So here you are going to get 3x square plus 12x minus 10x minus 40 by 2x minus 3 the whole square less than equal to 0. So this is 3x x plus 4 minus 10 x plus 4, and here this is 2x minus 3 the whole square less than equal to 0. So this is 3x minus 10 x plus 4 by 2x minus 3 the whole square less than equal to 0. So here you are going the critical values that you are going to get. X is equal to 10 by 3, x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to 3 by 2. So these are the critical values you are going to get, and one more critical value you are going to get from here, because you know that base can never be negative. So this must be x plus 7 by 2 greater than 0. So x is greater than minus 7 by 2. So these are your critical values. From here you see that you draw the number line, you are getting 10 by 3. This will be somewhere like this, 10 by 3, because 3 3s are 9. Then your is 3 by 2. This is equal to 3 by 2. And another is your minus 7 by 2. Minus 7 by 2, 2 3s are 6, and last is your minus 4. So plus, minus, plus, minus. So because it is less than 0, so we are going to take the integral values between here. This will be something like this 3.3 something. This will be 1.5. So in between this, the integral values will be 3, 2. This will be 3 and 2. And now 3 2, because this is 1.5. So it will be 3 and 2. And between this it will be how much? This is minus 4 and this is 7. 7 by 2, 2 3 is 6, 7 by 2 is 3.1 and minus 3.1 and this is now here you see uh, this is to solve here. So here requires, I told you that here requires some intelligence. So in between this integral value will be 2 and 3. Now let us see, and in between this is 2 point 2 point something like this. 2 3 is 2 3 is 6, 3.1, 7 7 by 2. So 2 3 is 6, 3.1. 3.1 and minus 4. Now here you see, here requires some intelligence. Here requires some intelligence. What is the intelligence here required? Now in between this, let us take the integral values in this video. This is 3.1 and here this is 3.1 and here this is 1.3. That means this is minus 3.1 between here. So between here your integral values are 1, 0, then minus 2 and then minus 3. These are the integral values. So if you check for 0, let us check for 0, what will happen? 0, so this is 7 by 3 and this is positive, so you are going to get a positive value. 7 by 3, that means 2 point, you are going to get a positive value. Now if you take 1, then also negative square, this will be positive, this will be positive, so you are going to get a positive value. Now if you take minus 2, then also minus square, minus 2, this is positive, you are going to positive value. If you take 3 here, this is positive, minus 3 here, this is positive, so here this is positive, so this will be 6 positive. If you take 4, then this will be negative, which does not exist. So these two can't exist because here this will be denominator, it will be 0 and this will be 0, so this two can't exist. So ultimately what do we find? That there are 6 integrals, 1 2 3 4 5 6 2 3. There are 6 integral values. So what is the, so this type of question, this requires some intelligence. This type of questions require some intelligence. So here because our maximum limit is this is, if you remove this, then this will be negative, plus, minus, this whole will be minus and this will be plus. So but these two values, these 7 by 2 and 3 by 2 minus, they can't exist because these two values, they can't exist. So between these two exist, and if you take between these two, this will be this, because here minus 3 point, there is no integral value. So here how to finalize it? You place these values and get the confirmation. You place these values and if you place minus 4, this will be negative, it does not exist. So this type of questions requires some intelligence. So remember that 3 types of questions are asked in your especially in your JEE mains question. JEE mains, that is the first type. It requires some where two different topics are merged to form a questions, and the second type, it requires some concept, and the third type, it requires some intelligence. So these 3 types of questions are there. If you solve maximum, if you try to solve maximum, the earlier 2 types of questions, if you try to solve maximum questions of the earlier 2 types, where it requires a concept and a slight concept, and when 2 different topics are merged together to form a question, if you practice such type of questions, after practicing such type of question, it will become easier for you to solve such type of a little bit of intelligence questions. So this is how the preparations are done in JEE Mains, and there are two YouTube channels. In there, I have two YouTube channels, and in both the YouTube channels, you will find all the PYQs and all the techniques how to solve a question, how to hold a question, what are the basic concepts are lying behind it. I have tried to explain in there are two YouTube videos. In these two YouTube videos, I have tried to completely explain it. And last of all, I want to tell you that for conic section, you go for the BSc pass course where it is given the equation of the tangent in the slope form, in the slope form for both circle, parabola, and ellipse, ellipse. It is there are equations in which the equation of the tangent in slope form. Such forms are required for to solve some questions, and complex number you are not going to get much tough questions. This complex number, it is also related to coordinate geometry, and coordinate geometry such as z1 minus z2 and modulus z is equal to 3. This represents a circle. So such type of questions are also available in BSc pass course. If you go through such type if you go through these theories and if you practice such type of questions, then I think so it will be easier for you to solve the papers in your coming JEE mains exam.